What is that?
The voice of the National Weather Service, station KWN 34.
This is the $1,700 communications desk.
That's unbelievable. Marcus Peters comes up with a recovery. Was this
What's happening here? You back, baby?
Report has issued a
Come on.
in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Before 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time, over Belcher for 21.
I gotta see if any other stations went.
Northwestern Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana. It's 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe 20 miles per hour. Hazard. Moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard. 60 miles per hour. Wind gusts at quarter-size hail. Source. Radar indicated. Impact. Hail damage.
Trying to have the American
Sighting entries. City, Austin, Belcher, Gilliam, Bollinger. And stay away from windows.
Wow, what just happened? Like, this still hasn't loaded up, by the way. Oh, wait, I have to open it back up. We are not listening to Chappelle Room. Absolutely not. Okay, we gotta find out what this is. Give me 1 second here. Let's log back in. Has a little bit of problems sometimes. Okay, severe thunderstorm warning. I was not expecting to get that. Wow. And it's not that big of a storm, it's just isolated, so this is what we're looking at right here. I had so many offices on here. There we go, that's everybody now. So, oh, and there's another one for, okay, so yeah, it was for Bossier and Caddo. 94.9 actually went off, which was kind of surprising, you know. Oh, look at that. It went from a 40-mile-per-hour storm to a 60-mile-per-hour storm within a span of 20 minutes. Wow. Interesting.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for southeastern McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Bowie County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Red River County in northeastern Texas until 6:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:33 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Bucks Elder, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Bucks Elder, Idabel, Avery, Nona, Beaver Dams, English, Harris, Good Lake, and Tom. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are difficult to observe at night. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Texas: Bowie and Red River, and McCurtain, Oklahoma. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Little River County in southwestern Arkansas, western Cedar County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma until 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:03 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southeast of Idabel, or 18 miles west of Foreman, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jacqueline, Horatio, Idabel, Broken Bow, Lockersburg, Winthrop, Arkinda, Hayworth, West Line, Cerro Gordo, West Otis, Eagletown, Goodwater, Chenul, America, Moon, Bocoma, Central, and Hotcham. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time Tuesday for portions of southwest Arkansas and southeast Oklahoma. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: McCurtain, Oklahoma, and the following counties in Arkansas: Little River and Sevier.
Number 706. Fall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1. Not for the. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas.
I've forgotten how many stations around there.
Streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Jacqueline, Clarksville, Idabel, Broken Bow, Gilham, Sonoma, Hayworth, Eagletown, Holly Creek, Goodwater, Oak Hill, Hotchetown, West Line, Harris, Brierley, English, Watson, and Plunkettville. Turn around. Don't drown and encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: McCurtain, Oklahoma, and Sevier, Arkansas, and Red River, Texas. Flood.
Only me was my first time, but I told him that he was the one.
severe thunderstorm warning. Has to be. Yep, severe thunderstorm warning for McCurtain County.
Northwestern McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:56 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 25 miles northwest of Broken Bow, or 43 miles northwest of Dequeen, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baptiste, Bethel, Mount Hermon, Pickens, Ringgold, Smithville, and Roof. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time Tuesday for a portion of southeast Oklahoma. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: McCurtain, Oklahoma. Check this out. Your weather information. Repeating, tornado watch. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma until 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. 7:47 p.m. Central Standard. Heavy rain across the leverage on does not south. Great. Thompson up ships. I come right.
Evan Craft.
I believe. Grant. Tidy can be during the holiday. Warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: McCurtain, Oklahoma.
Why is it so loud? That's not going on.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ouachita Parish, eastern Union Parish, until 12:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:29 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Farmville, or 15 miles north of Claiborne, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Claiborne, West Monroe, Swartz, Brownsville by Conville, Farmville, Sterlington, Marion, Loch Lomond, Rocky Branch, Spencer, Deshert, Fairbanks, Hale, Guthrie, Leanville, Drew, Perryville, and Schooner. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The
storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana, Washington, and Union.
Well, it's finally here, hunting season, and McKinney Outdoor Superstore has everything you need. Gear up. Here's Ricky. Check out our huge selection of Honda and Kawasaki ATVs and side-by-sides.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana, Washington, and Union.
Not sure that was supposed to happen, but you know, at least I relayed.
What you want it to be. Teaching was at the top of your list.
Just lost KXKZ for some reason. That's interesting. For more house bears.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ashley County in southeastern Arkansas, Morehouse Parish in northeastern Louisiana, and
Just a fast seek here. That's in East Texas. Oh man.
we've got you covered.
With unrealized capital.
Alright.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Crosset around noon Central Standard Time. North Crosset and West Crosset around 12:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Hamburg and Berlin around 12:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Snyder around 12:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parish, Morehouse, Louisiana.
The purpose I have this tripod and stuff set up is for the Texas monthly test. I haven't caught a single bit of that. Yet I've caught multiple severe thunderstorm warnings instead, which I'll take. You know, but I just want to hear that the Texas R&T exists, you know.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Alexandria, Pineville, Alexandria International Airport,
Cayuga, Paradise, Pullman, Libus, Timber Trail, Edsel Regional Airport, Holloway, Elmer, Calcasieu, and Woodward. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Grant Parish, southwestern Wind Parish, southeastern Natchitoches Parish, and northwestern Louisiana until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:52 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 7 miles north of Montgomery to 12 miles southwest of Colfax, or along the line from 14 miles east of Natchitoches to 27 miles southeast of Natchitoches, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Grant Parish, north central Louisiana, southwestern Wind Parish, north central Louisiana, southeastern Natchitoches Parish, and northwest Louisiana.
Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for portions of north central and northwest Louisiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 miles per hour.
60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport.
I wonder if I can pick up 100.3.
Words.
Nope.
Tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for portions of north central and northwest Louisiana.
Oh! Just died. What just happened? Okay. Yep.
Warning alarm system. This concludes this test.